se jmenuje there's a plugin for PyTest called PyTest Exist, which does distributed testing, but it also does this F flag, which means it runs test and then it waits when something changes, it reruns the tests. So I have two tests like this. One passes, one fails, and PyTest says, assert 0, this fails. So let me remove that. Save it, and I see PyTest notice the change and rerun the tests, which is really good if you have 2 or more monitors, not like here. What I wanted to talk about is...
While he types, there is also a Python package called Watchdog that does just that. It will watch your directory and rerun any command. So even if you're not using Python test, you can benefit from that.
And you don't have to. This is the best way of making your test pass. Removing command.
And you don't have to necessarily have 2 monitors. If you have a libnotify plugin for the testing tool. I'm not sure if the Python one has that, but the Ruby ones do.
Okay, so here we have a fixture. It looks like this. You just define a method or something like that. It can be a class or anything. Decorate with fixture, and then you can just use it as an argument for function, and whatever this returns gets passed here. So 1 + 1 = 2. Test passes, everything's fine. You can do many tricks, like let's say I want to so what this does, it has 2 parameters, 1 and 2, and it takes another special fixture that's called request. That's a built-in PyTest fixture, which gives you access to lots of things like the parameters or command line options to PyTest and things like that. So what this will do is every test that takes this fixture will first be run with this value, and then it'll be run with this value. So we can see that one test fails, and it's the test math with 2, and of course 2 + 2 is not 2. So you can easily make parameterized tests like this. And now there's a lot of things you can do with these fixtures. If you ever wrote a big test suite and knows it, it'll just make you very happy. And they're always adding new things to PyTest. The documentation is a little hard to read, but persevere and you'll be rewarded. Yeah, so that's, I guess, all for my lightning talk. Yes?
You have extra time.
Question: is that the library from that guy who did the peer-to-peer talking tool? Right?
Yes. Any more questions?